Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to unpair earphone to our Vivo phone guys. You want to unpair this earphone, so guys you can unpair. And guys, now let's see how to unpair earphone to our Vivo phone. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you, if you're in my channel and you are watching my video first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So guys, now let's start video. First of all, open your phone setting. After that guys, click on Bluetooth and device setting. Let's click on Bluetooth. So as you have paired this earphone, so as you can unpair. So as you can see the setting option, click here guys, click on forget, guys click here. So as you can unpair your earphone, and as you will power off it. So I hope friends you have understood how to unpair Bluetooth earphone in our Vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.